This is actually getting good. This is getting good.
My hands are
Oh my
just
god. Oh my god.
glitter
Oh
town.
my god.
My hands are glitter town.
I'm Lucio. And today we're going to be trying out 5 Villa slime kits. So let's get started. So what I have here is a cotton candy cloud slime kit, and the ingredients are 1 glue, mixing stick, 1 paint, fake snow, sodium, measuring cup, and a plastic spoon.
Mine is holographic slimy glue. So then here's the things everything you need for it. So 1 measuring cup, 1 mixing stick, 1 plastic spoon, 1 sodium, 1 glitter glue, and 2 bags of glitter.
So now let's open this. It has tape on it, so it's kind of hard.
That was easy. Do you need help? I just squished it.
Wow, that was easy to take out. Comment down below if you guys ever try one of these slime kits.
Yeah, that was hard. Let's open it like that. I got 2 glue.
Instant snow.
You have to put it in water.
And some clear glue. So now we're gonna read the directions.
It can get a little bit messy. So,
Okay, so step 1 for my kit is fill a cup to 30 millimeters. So let's do that.
okay, let me open my slimy glue. Okay. For my first step, I have to put in 90 milliliters in the bowl of water. Warm water.
Okay, so I'm still on step 1, and it says, and the packet of, so take the packet of instant snow, using the stick, stir until water is dissolved.
My second step is to pour the sodium in my bowl. I'm gonna add 1 spoonful of my sodium into my water.
So my next step is to fill in second cup with 90 millimeters of hot water. Add 1 level spoon, add sodium.
Sound like crystals.
Okay, so 90 milliliters. So that's 33 times. Next, and that's 90.
Step is to add the glitter glue to it. How much I want. So I'm just gonna open it. It's a tiny bottle. Looks like.
So my next step is to Fill a third cup with room temperature water and 40 millimeters of clear glue. So I need some room temperature water again.
Okay, that's all.
Then another 20.
Oh, my. You don't. The bottom. Okay, where's my steps?
This glue already looks like slime. It really.
Huh?
So 100.
It is slime. It is slime already.
To 30.
I can't hold at this.
So my next step is to add the entire pot of paint. Guess you're gonna be making pink slime today.
What?
Oh,
The entire.
this is a pretty pink.
Done. I'm done with that one. Now some for this one.
So what's your next step?
No, I'm doing this.
So since she's still getting the glue out, I'm just gonna go to ahead to my step 5, which is take the sodium solution from earlier and add 9 spoons of it.
You're already getting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It looks like slime. No wonder why I didn't get it. So I'm gonna take the slime out of the bowl and mix with my hands. Ooh.
So it says I remove this and mix it in my hands. So
This feels weird. Yep. Oh,
why couldn't I just mix with the spoon?
Oh, it's getting better. Oh, it's getting sticky. It's getting sticky. Getting sticky and
This
bad.
is getting good.
This is getting sticky. Dude.
Mine's
That's why it's called slimy, but good.
Ooh, this is
I
good.
don't have any more glue.
It's kind of sticky, but it's good. I'm just gonna keep on adding the pink in.
These kits are just not working.
They're definitely working for me. I'm gonna add
Oh, it's getting good.
activated to it because, you know, why can't I just mix this with something else, like a spoon or something?
Now it's time to add the glitter. Okay. Let me just get this recipe.
Very good. My next step is to fold the snow in.
This looks like Christmas.
This is actually getting good. This is getting good.
My hands are
Oh my
just
god. Oh my god.
Glitter
Oh
town.
my god. Oh.
My hands are glitter town. So mine is really rubbery. I thought it was gonna turn out good, but it turned out. My kit was a fail. Boo.
So here's my slime.
Yeah.
On point.
On his joint.
No, I'm saying. So both of these boxes are $5 a piece. I personally think it was worth it. What do you think?
It wasn't.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more videos like this.